Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a full-time stay-at-home mom and a reseller on platforms like eBay and Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and such. And so today I'm going to be doing a lifestyle video. I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup with no experience because I've only been wearing makeup probably in the last 4 years. And so I'm still learning a lot, but this is literally my everyday, whenever I wear makeup on the weekends, during the week, whatever, this is how I literally do it every single time. It's so easy. There's nothing drastic or dramatic. It's very natural. So you will see how easy and fast it is to get yourself ready if you are a mom like me. And a lot of times as moms, we're so busy with cleaning or cooking, changing diapers or running around, running errands, and sometimes we don't even have the time to do our makeup or our hair. Sometimes I find myself just putting my hair in a bun because that's just the quickest thing I can do. So I wanted to spend a little bit of time to show you how I get ready, how I do my makeup very easy and fast. So let's go ahead and get started now. So the first thing that I like to do is put my primer so that it can take time to kind of, I guess, be absorbed by my skin. I use, please ignore my nails. I never do my nails. So I use Tarte. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. How do you pronounce it? Send me a link to how to pronounce it properly because I tried looking for a pronunciation and I just could not find it. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on. I just squeeze just a little generous amount on my hand here and I just basically put it all over my face and blend it with my own fingers. I don't need anything special, sponges or anything like that. So I start with my brows. I basically just brush them here. So I'm going to be looking because I'm looking at the camera. So I just basically brush them just to kind of give them a even tone. And I'm just gonna use, I can't tell you what kind of brush this is. It's definitely a brow brush, but this is a unbranded brush that I probably picked up so many years ago. Probably have been having this for 10 years. So to get started on my brows, I use, again, the same brand, Tarte. So I use, you can see it, Tarte. Hopefully that it's not backwards because it's showing that it's backwards when I'm looking at the camera. So hopefully it's not backwards. But I use this. It's called the the Frame Worker Brow Pomade. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this little container here. Very cute. And I believe I'm using the color. It's like a brown black. That's kind of what goes with my color. And I just brush it in there and then I just follow the shape of my brow. It's so much easier when I do it on a mirror rather than the camera, but it's okay. So I just blend it in and just follow the shape or pattern of my brow. You'd probably be thinking that it doesn't even look like a lot, and that's the whole point, guys. I really don't airbrush my brows or do anything special to my brows. This is exactly what I do. It doesn't take me any time to do this. Trying to make them pop a little more. I get my eyebrows threaded. Do you guys prefer waxing your brows or do you prefer threading them? I've been getting my brows threaded for, I think, since I was in high school. So a very, very long time because I am 34. So yeah, so not that I wanted to disclose that information, but yes, I've been getting my brows threaded for so long. I just feel like it gives me the look that I want and it hasn't disappointed me since I've been doing it for so long. So moving on with the next step. The next step that I like to do is put some mascara, and I also use the same brand. This one is a black color, and this is what it looks like. Such a beautiful color. Pink is really my favorite color, so it's like this brand is, by the way, this brand, the reason why I like using it is really because it's vegan friendly. So if you're interested in knowing why I use it, well, to do my eyelashes, obviously it's nothing special. Oh, I feel like if I look away from the camera, I feel like I'm going to put mascara on my eyeball. So very simple. I am, as I said earlier in the beginning, if you're new to my channel, I'm a reseller on eBay and Poshmark. I've been doing this for a whole year. And how I got started with reselling, really it was my husband. I wasn't working and I just needed something to do, but my husband one day casually said, hey, why don't you list these pairs of shoes for me on eBay? And at that time I didn't have an account. So he said, I'll show you, I'll get you started or whatnot, and just list them for this amount. So I was like, okay. So I did that, and once those pair of shoes sold, I was definitely hugged into the reselling business. I like immediately used that profit because my husband allowed me to keep the profit even though it was his shoes. He has a full-time job. Like, I'm a stay-at-home mom. That was kind of nice to getting some extra 50, 60 bucks. Like, why not? So now I'm gonna put this mascara on the bottom of my eyelashes, whatever you call them. I don't do eyeliners. Like, I have never been a fan of eyeliners. I don't know why. It just doesn't resonate with me. And so I have really long eyelashes, as you can see. Like, they're pretty long. So the reason I just started wearing makeup in the last 4 years really because I'm starting to notice some fine lines, and so no, I'm not gonna be looking all crazy. To try to wear mascara, however you say this, I'm sorry. My little accent, you're probably thinking, where am I from? Like, your English is, my husband is always correcting me, like, on my pronunciation. Like, and sometimes I be saying something and he's just looking at me like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, saying the word, and he's like, you mean such and such? And so being that it's my second language, I know that a lot of my pronunciation or the way I say things don't always come out the way that they should. So you'll notice that for my videos, that sometimes my pronunciation is all over the place. Like this, I can't, Tarte. When I'm reading it, Tarte. See, in Spanish, when you look at a word, you read it as you see it. For example, Tarte. But in English, Tarte. Why is there a PH on phone? Why is there not an F for phone? Like in Spanish, if you say fotos, it's F-O-T-O-S, photos. But when you say photos in English, it's like PH. Like, so I tell you, I'm all over the place. Can never get myself together. The next thing that I'm gonna do before I move on with my little story is I'm gonna go ahead and put the foundation. And what's interesting about this foundation is that it says a Foundcealer, so it does contain some concealer, and it also contains sunscreen, which is good because I don't wear a lot. I never wear sunscreen. Like, I'm so guilty of never wearing sunscreen. Do you regularly wear sunscreen? I don't, and I'm so bad with it. But I basically just do one pump and that's it. See? Then I use this brush, and again, unbranded, because I picked it up so many years ago, like a decade ago. And so if it had a name brand, it is definitely faded. So then I just blend it all over my face. So what I was saying, my husband is the one that got me into reselling. And I've been doing it for a whole year now. And I really enjoy it so much. Guys, I don't have a technique. Again, I do want to say that I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert, and makeup is definitely not my expertise. And the reason I started wearing makeup is because on my wedding day, one of my friends, she did my makeup, and I was like in disbelief in how good of a job she did, that I felt like I looked like a totally different person. You see, like it kind of like hit some of my freckles. That's the whole point, guys. I have so many freckles. No. It dimmed because I guess there was no activity. So yeah, so this is definitely a different type of video that I normally do. I normally make reselling content, but I wanted to also start adding lifestyle, and so this is why I wanted to share with you busy moms my daily, not daily, because to tell you the truth, I don't wear makeup every single day. I might wear makeup maybe twice tops a week, but I feel like when I use makeup, I feel better, I feel more motivated, and I feel beautiful. Because sometimes when I'm just running around and my hair is up in a bun and I'm wearing a t-shirt and some sweatpants, it just doesn't make me feel good. And I'm just going to use a typical spongy sponge, and then I'm just going to blend it. So let me know what you think. See? Man, it really like at least hits some of my freckles. So yeah, guys, so as a stay-at-home mom, reselling has worked out very, very well for me, because I can manage my own schedule. I can list when I want, which I should list every day, but I don't. But you know, I just have control over my schedule than when I'm working a 9-to-5 job. By the way, there are so many things you can do from home. There's jobs like personal assistant. People need help just managing their schedule, you know, helping them to stay on track of things, because people have such busy lives that they even need an assistant, and you can find those jobs like online. The next thing that I'm going to use is not by that brand, Tarte. This is by PUR. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a blurring, it's called No Filter Blurring Photography Primer. This is what I normally would do. Like this is only on the weekend, but I just want to show you how I blend it. I don't use anything special. I just put it in my face a little bit there, and just kind of like those 5 points in my face. And honestly, just use my fingers to blend them right now and then, right here. And this is just to kind of give me a glow, a nice little glow. So, and then it just here, so that there's nothing out of the ordinary, just popping. Lastly is another of the same brand, PUR or whatever. This is their, what's the name called here? Timeless Creme. I tried looking for this color, and I really had a hard time finding it. Can you see it there? I do have to look at the camera. I love nude colors like this. that's it, guys. This is all I do for my makeup. Very simple. I hope you found it simple. I don't use anything special, just three little brushes and your typical, your standard brows, eyelashes, your primer, and foundation. And this is just a bonus if you just want to add some glow. This is what I use just to kind of give me a glow. I don't use this during the week, but during the weekend, if I'm going somewhere with my husband, like I'm getting dinner or you know, something like that, then I would add some of this just to kind of give me a nice little glow. Well, I hope that you found this video easy, and if so, make sure you leave me your comments below. What do you think about this look? Let me know if you like it, and make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this simple makeup routine that I do as a busy stay-at-home mom. Alright guys, well that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.